In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add tags in your YouTube video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then we can tap at that plus sign and select upload a video. After that, just select video, hit add next, and on the next step you will be able to set thumbnail for your video in that way. Also you can enter title, description, and also you can set up all these different options. However, there is no option to add tag. To be able to add tags in your video, first off you need to upload it. So just hit add upload, and after that go to your library, then your videos, and that's where we can add tags for any uploaded videos. So we can just hit add three dots and then edit, and that's where we can find add tags. We can just tap on it, and then we can enter our tags. And once you have entered a tag, just don't forget to hit add return, just like that. And once you've done with that, tap add save to save the changes. That's how you can easily add tags to your YouTube video. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.